Yo, so I spent the last about an hour and a half putting front disc brakes on the homemade motorized scooter. So let's go back an hour and a half and we'll see how I did it.
There's a long road just behind you. Everything has come so fast. Memories are all inside you, and you never make them back. I can feel that cheering through the world that did not make sense. You can feel what I mean now that you're here. Just know there's nothing to fear along the way. There's nothing I could say, nothing I could say.
Alright, so we have figured out the front brake system. Now, because this brake cable came off the trash picked Dunlop, for some reason they have this whole single bit where it's there's no cable cover like the Teflon, so it's just a straight bit of cable, and then they have these little connections which I actually just made my own, as everyone just seen. And then if we come down here, you can see it's going to work out really well. Oops, it's going to work out well. So you can see the cable's going to come from up under here down, and it's just going to connect to the brake caliper. Now the brake caliper is going to be sitting up here a little high, close to this front fork. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to adjust this bit here and that bit here to bring it all down, so I've got enough slack in this cable just to reach about there. So the good thing is I've got enough cable to work with. You can see it just goes up and wraps around. So yeah.
Something to believe in and never give